Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to design a custom Flutter app icon right in Figma, even if you're brand new to both Figma and app icon design. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished checkmark style icon, perfectly sized for both iOS and Android apps, ready to drop straight into your Flutter project. We're keeping things practical, simple, and beginner-friendly, so let's dive in and get started. Alright, the first thing you'll want to know is the standard icon sizes for both iOS and Android. Having the correct dimensions is really important. App stores are picky, and you want your icon to look crisp and professional on any device. For iOS, the standard size for an app icon is 1024 by 1024 pixels. For Android, you'll use a 512 by 512 pixel icon. Keep these numbers handy, we'll need them soon. Now let's get creative. Here in Figma, we're going to build a classic checkmark icon. This is a simple but timeless design, and it works great as an example. Don't worry if you're new to Figma, just follow along and I'll break down each step. Start by drawing two rectangles. Click the rectangle tool and on your canvas make one small rectangle. Think of it like the short arm of your checkmark. Then draw a second rectangle and make this one longer. This will form the longer tail. If you picture a checkmark, you can see why we need one short and one long, almost like forming a sideways V. Once you have your rectangles, it's time to start shaping them into that classic checkmark. Select the short rectangle and rotate it, usually about 45 degrees works well. Do the same with the longer rectangle, but this time rotate it a bit less, so you can intertwine the two shapes, creating that iconic checkmark tick. Don't worry if things aren't lining up perfectly at first. It's normal to nudge and adjust the angles until it looks just right. Take your time here and remember, design is all about small tweaks. When you're happy with your checkmark shape, select both rectangles together, then group them. This step is important. It keeps the checkmark as one unit, making it easy to move and resize. Once grouped, we'll take it one step further. In Figma, you have the option to flatten your group, which turns these two overlapping rectangles into a single unified shape. This simply means you now have one clean vector checkmark, rather than two separate pieces sitting on top of each other. This is a great practice because it makes your icon easy to scale and export later on. Now for the really important finishing touch, sizing your icon. For iOS, select your checkmark, and on the left side of your screen, you'll find the width and height inputs. Set both width and height to exactly 1024 pixels. This pixel-perfect sizing ensures your app icon will look sharp and clear in the App Store, on devices, and everywhere else iOS uses it. Next, if you're targeting Android as well, and most Flutter developers are, you'll want to create a separate copy of this icon. You can simply duplicate your checkmark, then resize the copy to 512 by 512 pixels. This is the recommended size for Android app icons, and keeping a separate file helps you stay organized. And that's it. You've just designed a clean, scalable checkmark app icon in the precise sizes you need for both platforms, all in Figma. Remember, you can use these exact same steps to create any other simple icon shapes you want. Don't be afraid to play around with colors, rounded corners, or shadows to make the icon truly your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another design tutorial you'd like to see. And if you want more easy-to-follow Figma and Flutter tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.